This building has been abandoned for years. And if you come to the Anaheim packing house, you probably know this as the place where they park the valet cars. The city of Anaheim has something a little bit different planned for this plot of land. And in this video, we're gonna talk about just that. This new community is called The Mill. Who is building on this land? It was just sold by Shaheen Sadehi, who owns the packing house, most of Center Street Promenade, the Make Building, and so much more in Orange County. So that's just to name a few. These lots have literally been sitting empty for 10 years. And so finally, it's been purchased by the builder Meritage Homes. And Meritage Homes, if you don't know who they are the 5th largest builder in the US according to the number of homes sold in 2023. And they're also known for their energy efficient homes and affordable entry-level homes. Now that we know who's bought it, what are they going to be building here? They're proposing to build 56 three-story townhomes with 2 different building types, 2 different elevation styles, and 4 different floor plans from 2 to 3 bedroom floor plans ranging from about 1,200 to just shy of 1,800 square feet. And each unit is gonna have an attached 2-car garage, whether that be a side-by-side garage or a tandem parking garage. I know a lot of people dislike tandem parking, myself included, which actually could create a parking issue when residents don't want to park in their garage. In addition, the builder is actually not required to add any guest parking spots or assigned parking either. So parking will be tight here. Worse than it already is? We'll see. Although it is proposed that they're going to have 18 marked parking spots and 2 ADA compliant parking spots. The Mill will also have some outdoor community spaces, good for picnics and barbecues, and its own community trash bins and a bulky pickup area as well. Now let's talk location, because we're here at that abandoned warehouse. The packing house is just right down that way. So we're located on Santa Ana Street. The end is Olive Street, goes all the way down to Claudina Street, which is right where the packing house starts. So it's these 2 blocks. It's 2 acres of land where they're going to be building those 56 townhomes. So if you go to the packing house, you're probably familiar with this space being the parking for valet. That might pose a problem because if they're building homes here, where is valet going to be parking? Well, according to Shaheen, the parking lot is moving from here to a parking structure by City Hall over on Broadway, also next to that church over there. And apparently that parking structure has been available for people coming to the packing house for like ever, and I did not even know about it. So now you know. The Mill hasn't officially been approved by the city of Anaheim, but it is in the works. So we're expected to find out possibly August or September of this year, 2024, on whether or not this project will be approved. But this community does pose quite a problem for parking for current residents here. Not just residents, also visitors to the packing house. So where are residents and where are their visitors and visitors to the packing house gonna park? And also, is this going to affect the traffic even more in this area too? So I know not everyone is on board with this project, but on the flip side, we are in a housing shortage crisis. 56 newly built homes isn't much, but at least it helps a little, and especially since 10% of those homes will be devoted to affordable housing units. Anaheim has always been an advocate for affordable housing ever since I can remember. In fact, in order to buy my first condo here, I did use the city housing grant in order to do so. And I know plenty of other homeowners here that have used the same grant. But what do you think about this project? Do you think that the city should move forward with it? Or if not, what would you like to see here? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest news here in Anaheim. We'll catch you on the next one. See you real soon.